Hello everyone, this video introduces how to join the MindSpore community and commit issues and pull requests PRS. We sincerely welcome your response. Now, let's see the detailed process. Go to JIT and enter the MindSpore main repository. Click Watch. Select Watching from the drop-down list and click Star and Fork. A personal repository is automatically generated. Commit an issue. Select an issue type from the drop-down list, such as Bug Report, Task Tracking, or RFC. Varying in issue templates. Take Bug Report as an example. Enter the platform information, versions, operation steps, symptom, expected result, related log screenshot, and special notes. Click New. The issue is created. Commit a PR. Run the git clone command to clone the personal repository. And run git remote to add the remote main repository to the local device. Ensure that the code of the local main repository is synchronized with that of the remote main repository. Create a branch named test based on the local main repository or 0.6 and switch the branch to the test branch. Modify the content as required. The following uses adding an empty file as an example. Add status commit. Push the file to the remote personal repository. Create a PR in the personal repository. And link it with an issue. If there is no related issue, create one. You can select options such as close related issues after merge. Click Create. The PR is created. The system automatically checks whether the CLA is signed. If the CLA is not signed, sign it. After the CLA is signed, check whether it is signed successfully. Trigger the CI instruction to check specifications of the modified code. The modified code can be integrated only after it passes the check. For details about the specifications, see contributing code. Wait for review. If there is any comment, revise the content and commit again. Note that multiple PRs need to be merged and only one PR can be retained. If a conflict occurs, the conflict must be resolved first. Let's see how to solve the preceding two problems. First, merge multiple PRs into one. For the 3 PRs, run the git rebase IHEAD-3 command. If there are n PRs, run the git rebase IHEAD-n command. The following page is displayed. P indicates that the commit is retained, and S indicates that the commit is merged with the previous commit. If you need to merge the second and third commits into the first commit, you only need to change the to-pick values to S. Remember that git push is required at last. Then, perform the test again. If there is a conflict, how should it be resolved? 1. Go to the local MindSpore repository and switch to the master branch. 2. Associate with the remote MindSpore main repository. 3. Fetch the latest MindSpore main repository code and merge it to the master branch of the local repository. 4. Switch the branch to the conflicting one. 5. Rebase the updated master branch code of the repository to the conflict branch. 6. Resolve the conflict. During the rebase process, a message will be displayed on the terminal where the conflict occurs. 1. As shown in the figure, a conflict occurs. 2. Edit the file to resolve the conflict. The conflicting part is wrapped in the angle brackets and can be modified as required. Before modification. After modification, 1. Git add the file whose conflict has been resolved to the temporary storage area. 2. Git rebase continue complete the rebase process. 7. Forcibly push to the remote personal repository after the conflict is resolved. The entire process is complete. Welcome to the MindSpore community.